10 महीने तक की इतनी लिबर्टी एक्यूज पर्सन को क्यों दी आपने? नो वन वाज अरेस्टेड फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ 10 months। इनका कहना है कि इनकी कंप्लेंट पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा था। इज इट देयर इन द केस डायरी?
क्या नाम मैंने इसकी थी तो वैसे कंडीशन तक 3 दिन पहले उसने बताया था कि हमें मायके की
मेरी
प्रॉपर्टी
जब आप इतने श्योर थे कि 3 दिन पहले उसने बताया और शी कंज्यूम्ड द पॉइजन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन, देन व्हाई यू डिड नॉट अरेस्ट देम फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ 10 months? इज दिस द वे ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन कि जब मर्जी आएगी, जब लिबर्टी दे दी, जितने दिन तक घूमना है घूमो और फिर बाद में अरेस्ट करने चले जाए?
My lord, this is first bail application for grant of anticipatory bail. Offence is under section, my lord, 306, 498, 34 of the IPC. The present applicant is a Jethani of the deceased. My lord, the allegation is that, my lord, that the present applicant uh, forced the deceased to have a share in the property of her father, my lord. This was an allegation and only sole reason for committing a suicide. This was alleged.
पेज 12।
यस माय लॉर्ड, पेज
रीड रीड।
केस डायरी के अवलोकन से, प्रतिवेदन से अवलोकन से स्पष्ट है कि दिनांक 22/6/24 को थाना सो में मग डायरी मनदीप को असल कायमी प्राप्त होने पर दिनांक 22/6/24 को मंडीप में असल मार्ग क्रमांक की जाकर 27/6/24 को मृतका सोनू परमार की नवविवाहिता होने से अग्रिम जांच हेतु प्राप्त हुई। साक्षीगण के कथन अनुसार मृतका सोनू सोनम परमार पति नरेश परमार का विवाह को लगभग 1 साल 1.5 माह पूर्व नरेश परमार से दिनांक 25/4/23 को आर्य समाज मंदिर होशंगाबाद से हुआ था। मायके पक्ष के कथन अनुसार मृतका के मृत्यु होने के 3-4 दिन पहले मृतका की बड़ी बहन पूजा परमार से मोबाइल पर बात होना, बातचीत के दौरान मृतका सोनू परमार को उसके पति जेठानी द्वारा मायके पक्ष में जमीन के हिस्से के लिए परेशान किया जाना बताया। My lord, certainly no benefit would be drawn to the mother-in-law, sister-in-law, even assuming the share goes to the deceased. In fact, my lord, it is a love marriage, my lord, which was taken place between the co-accused Naresh and the deceased, my lord. After 1.5 years, my lord, and prior to, my lord, few days ago, she was her pregnancy was, my lord, got miscarriage due to some reason, my lord, due to which she was distracted and due to which she was so much depressed, my lord, and she committed suicide. Later on, my lord, this prosecution came with a plea that we demanded a share in the property of that particular. However, we are no one beneficiary because the land of the partition would exist in the favor of deceased herself.
When crime was registered against you?
Pardon?
When the case was registered?
My lord, this was FIR was registered on 27/6, my lord.
27/6/24?
No, 17/7/24, my lord.
17/7/24?
Yes, my lord. And
responding since last 10 months.
My lord, in fact, we filed.
Registered against this applicant or not?
In fact, my lord, we submitted.
FIR against this present applicant also?
Yes.
Or we submitted.
And what happened to other 2 accused persons?
My lord, their connected will is there. They are in custody, my lord. Husband in custody, my lord. One is connected matter is the present
husband of the present
applicant is in custody, my lord.
Since?
My lord, he is in custody. I'm just pricing, my lord. He is 2/5/25, my lord.
2/5/25?
My lord. My lord, in fact, the investigation.
What happened to in last 10 months?
My lord, what he submitted? We have submitted an application to the SP and the authorities with medical document revealing the fact that in fact we were not responsible for particular crime. However, my lord, that's why, my lord, this entire investigation on our complaint was going on. But no fate has come to that particular applications, my lord. So that's why the reason, my lord, we filed a bail application later on. Because few days ago, my lord.
Must have been registered after the receipt of the PM report.
Cause of death is, my lord, hanging. And that is consuming poisons, my lord.
Cause of death is
consuming
the poison.
Yes, poison, my lord.
Any unknown substance having the aluminum phosphate?
Yes, ma'am. Certainly, ma'am. It is poison.
What efforts made during this period to arrest them?
पूजा परमार का स्टेटमेंट जिसकी बड़ी
स्टेटमेंट बाद में देखेंगे। 10 महीने तक क्या किया आपने? क्यों अरेस्ट नहीं किया? क्या रीजंस, क्या उसमें सर्च की? Whether you tried to arrest the present applicant in the last 10 months? Both of them have been arrested.
My lord,
Husband and-
yes, yes,
brother-in-law.
yes, yes, my lord, they have been arrested. Husband was arrested long back. इसमें डायरी में आया होगा husband. He was arrested long back, my lord. Husband was, but the present applicant was arrested. My lord, they have submitted a complaint that they have been falsely implicated. On that, my lord,
Should be in the
yes, yes, my lord, they
case diary. Even nothing available on record of this case. Only the one copy of the impugn order is there.
in that case, my lord, if my lord is, I will file it the entire. I will file it, my lord. It may be taken on Thursday. I will file the negligence.
क्या मंगा लेते हैं?
नाम से अगर
10 महीने तक की इतनी लिबर्टी एक्यूज पर्सन को क्यों दी आपने? नो वन वाज अरेस्टेड फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ 10 months. इनका कहना है कि इनकी कंप्लेंट पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा था. इज इट देयर इन द केस डायरी?
नाम मैंने इसकी थी तो वैसे पेंशन तक 3 दिन पहले इसने बताया था कि हमें मायदी की प्रॉपर्टी
वेरी, जब आप इतने श्योर थे कि 3 दिन पहले उसने बताया और शी कंज्यूम्ड द पॉइजन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन, देन व्हाई यू डिड नॉट अरेस्ट देम फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ 10 months? Is this the way of investigation? कि जब मर्जी आएगी, जब लिबर्टी दे दी, जितने दिन तक घूमना है घूमो, और फिर बाद में अरेस्ट करना चले जाए. It appears that the FIR was registered against the present applicant and other two accused persons on 17/7/2024 under section 306 with /34 of IPC and 498A of IPC. However, no one arrested before 2/5/2025.
इसमें देखना हो पहले अरेस्ट किसी को
पुलिस का.
अरेस्टिंग देखना उसका
The counsel for the applicant submits that after the registration of FIR, the applicants and other accused persons submitted their applications before the higher police authorities for fair investigation, and therefore no one was arrested for a period of 10 months. Full stop. The learned government, next, the learned government advocate is not able to reply this issue, and as per him, nothing available in the case diary. Full stop. Next, under these circumstances, I deem it proper to issue a direction to keep available the investigating officer personally present on the next date of hearing. List on 29/5/2025. Full stop. Investigating officer shall remain personally present on 29/5/2025 to answer the aforesaid issue. 29 को दे. आपके उसमें क्या हुआ, क्या मटेरियल आया,
My lord, I will also file. Meanwhile, I will also.
देखते हैं.
जी जी.